Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is the condition of the rear tire. It's pretty bad. Not much of grip available, and it's the rainy season. Area roads are pretty bad. So yeah, got something for you guys. What's going on, everyone? So this is the Ralco, the knobby tires basically is what I've ordered from Amazon. So yeah, you've seen the condition of the rear tire. Yeah, by the way, forgot to introduce you all. This is Mio, and Millie will come in sometime. Yeah, get up. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up soon, get up soon. So let's just go ahead and quickly unwrap this thing. Yeah, that's Millie for you guys. So yeah, they pretty much, need to be there. Checking up on whatever I do. Okay, packaging is pretty good. This actually arrived yesterday. So yeah, let me just unwrap it and I'll be right back. Okay, hold on. So there you go. Not bad. It looks pretty big, right? Looks pretty much like at least a Maruti 800 tire, besides not being that wide, I would say, right? Yeah, so let's just take a look at the threads on this. Oh, all right. This is gonna give me some good grip, I guess. Because yeah, show you the roads in my area. It's pretty bad, and I'm sure this is going to help during the rainy season. I'm just going to put it at the back for now. I wanted to put it for the front as well, but you know what? Let's go ahead and get it fixed. And I don't know what PSI we need to actually get it done with. We'll try different things and see how the grip and performance of the vehicle varies. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way the tire is built. Don't have any issues so far. Looks pretty good. Yeah, so I got this. It's actually made in India, by the way, and it's specially made for Aprilia, because this is the only scooter in India that comes with 14 inches, right? And so this I got it for 1798 on Amazon, right? You all can just go ahead and just type in tires for Aprilia and this will come up for sure, right? Stocks are running out. I think people kind of like this tires a lot, right? So yeah, let's go ahead and get it fixed, and I will see you guys soon. So yeah, always use this tire machine to remove and fix the tire so that it doesn't damage the alloys. There you go. It's done. Yes, the bike is dirty. Please don't mind. But here it is. It doesn't touch the mudguard, so that's good. Yeah, looks pretty good. So he said it's about 35 psi, So yeah, let's see.